What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a super quick tutorial over GoalSeek. GoalSeek is an amazing feature in Excel because it allows you to see how you need to change an input such as the number of sales for product 3 in this example to get the desired output, $50,000. So here I have an example where we have 8 products for sale and we have sales of product 1, 2, and then 4 through 8, and that has given us a total revenue of $47,260.97. But we want a goal of $50,000, so we want to see how many of product 3 would you want to sell in order to obtain our goal of $50,000 in revenue. So to do this, you can use GoalSeek. So right now, yes, we do have the number 1 in the cell. That is because for this value to work, you have to have a start. If your GoalSeek to work, you have to have a starting value of some sort or another in the cell that you want to change. So going over to the data tab, in the middle right, there's going to be like a what if analysis tab, and in the middle of that, there's going to GoalSeek. So to sell is a value that you want to have our end goal in, and it has to have a formula in it in some way, shape, or form. So for this example, we want our end goal to be $50,000, but it's calculated in a total right here. So that's where we have the to sell at, and it has a sum product function in it. To value is the goal I want it to be at, so 50,000 in this example. And then the by changing cell is a cell that I want to change in order to get to our end goal, which is E12. And then you want to click OK. Then what Excel does is it does iterative calculations, so basically guesses and checks really quickly in order to get the value that it wants. And as you can see, you need 184.2 sales or 185 in order to get to your goal of 50,000. A couple notes. So one thing to note is that be a little bit careful if you're working on a complex Excel sheet, just because Excel does iterative calculations, it can cause a value error, or it can cause just Excel to be run really slowly. So just keep that in mind. Also, another note is that GoalSeek may not do everything I wanted it to do. There's a more complex kind of version of this called Solver, which I'm going to go into in another video. But with that being said, I really hope that y'all found this to be helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment. Any support is extremely useful, and thank you so much for watching.